Saturday morning, drinking a little coffee, piddling with Grandpa's old tractor a little bit, fitting up the alternator for the 12-volt conversion that we're doing. The old generator was locked up, and many old hot rods as I've worked on, and 12 volts is the way to go, and this is kind of an old hot rod anyway, right? So anyway, yeah. Don't have all the upper brackets and everything on yet, but everything looks like it fits halfway decent from my standpoint here. Got the new distributor, 12 volt coil. Got the wires trimmed. New water pump. The old one was locked up. Pretty much anything that I'm taking off, I'm cleaning up before it goes back on. So that's why you're going to find some things that nice and red and shiny, and others not so much. But like I said in the beginning, this is not going to be a full-blown restoration. We're just resurrecting this old tractor. So all the original wiring was shot. Ripped that all out. Building a custom harness for it. New starter, well, it had a replacement starter on it, but I had to get in there and clean all the brushes and everything up on that. New solenoid. The back side of the dashboard, I went ahead and sandblasted and painted that so that we can have, you know, clean connections and just a clean area for the new harness to reside. So yeah, this is basically what the entire wiring harness on a tractor looks like. Pretty simple. There's the new resistor for the points. Always want to drop that voltage down. Right here you can see that I put a 15 amp fuse in line for the coil, the lights. Tractors didn't originally have a fuse in them. I don't know what their original intentions were back in the 40s. I don't think the old Ford cars from the 40s had fuses in them. I guess they just used fusible links, which is a wire that just burns through. But whatever, I got the ability to bring it up to relatively safe wiring standards, so that's what we're going to do. Put another ignition switch in it. This ignition switch is not for a tractor. It's actually out of a 48 Ford car. This was out of my dad's old 48 Ford car. We pulled it out and put a more modern ignition in his whenever we updated his wiring on that thing a long time ago, and I saved this switch because it's in good shape. It's working good in this case. The new headlight switch. I got some new gauges on order. New headlight switch, like I said. What else we got here? Oh, we installed a toggle for the Grandpa originally had a work light on the back of this tractor that's been, I don't know, the bulb's been missing out of it as long as I can remember, so I got another work light for it. I'll put that on. We'll just toggle it on and off. Yeah, so that's kind of where we're at today, and it's coming along. Just waiting for some parts to come in. Bye.